Hello everyone, Liam here, and a while ago Sean did a video on the Magic Mouse 2, effectively saying that he didn't like it at all, he thought it was an awful mouse. Now I've been doing a lot more editing on my MacBook, and even though the trackpad is amazing, I do need a good mouse for it. So I've invested in this. It is the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed Bluetooth mouse, and it's meant to work for Windows and Mac. So let's unbox it and then give it a go. So first things first, let's look at the box. So it's got Bluetooth, 5G, advanced optical sensor, true 16,000 dpi, hyperspeed wireless technology, ultra long battery life, Razer mechanical mouse switches, on-board DPI storage. So that means that you can change your settings on the mouse, and then when you put it to a different PC, it will keep those settings. Razer Hyperspeed delivers the fastest wireless gaming performance, at least 25% faster transmission speed than any other gaming mouse, offering the lowest click latency, improved power efficiency, and seamless frequency hopping to maintain the peak stability in even the noisiest environments. And what's inside? Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed wireless USB dongle, AA battery, product information. So yeah, up to 50 million clicks, hopefully that'll be enough for me. 6 programmable buttons, ultra fast Razer Hyperspeed, ultra long battery life, onboard DPI storage, and Razer advanced 5G optical sensor for cutting edge precision. So let's get it open. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I have opened this already, so I've been using it to try and edit some videos. So what you get in, you get the mouse, very nice looking mouse, and you get instructions, some stickers, and a nice semi-see-through letter thing. Let's put them to the side. So as for the mouse itself, I went for this one because I prefer this shape. I'm used to a gaming mouse now, and I do need one with this little kind of thumb rest bit here. I'm not really going to be using it for gaming, it is going to be for editing, but I can't use the smaller ones, and that was one of the issues that Sean had with the Magic Mouse 2. On the bottom, you see you got these little grooves here, so it doesn't drag, so it smooths well. I am going to use a mouse mat for this, don't worry. And you got your off switch, your Bluetooth switch, and then your 2.4 GHz switch. And then if you open the back, which is held on by magnets, which I really like, you get a battery, which came in with the box. So let's see how long it lasts. And the first time I opened this, I didn't realise it, but that's where your dongle is. There you go, your little tiny USB dongle. So, with that open, is that on properly? No. With that open, let's give it a go. So currently, I'm just using the mouse without a mouse mat. I'm just using it on this little cut board thing, but I do have a mouse mat here to test it evenly. Now, how to connect it via Bluetooth. I'm just using the mouse mat, the trackpad, sorry. System preferences, Bluetooth, and it's already connected, so I'm going to disconnect, remove. So on the back, you got the blue button saying it's connected by Bluetooth. Just need to connect, and that's it connected. If that doesn't work, hold in the blue button, and then it will connect eventually. It'll start flashing, and then you'll find it. The other way to do it is with 2.4 on the dongle, but I'm just trying it via Bluetooth for now. And there we go. That is that working. So let's try and edit a video. Firstly, let's have a little drag around. So I mean, that seems to be working fine. It does feel nice in the hand. Like I said, I'm used to a gaming mouse. It's quite light. I actually prefer my gaming mouse heavier. I've got the Logitech G502 Hero, maybe, and you can put extra weights in there to make it a bit heavier. So I do prefer a heavier mouse, but like I said, this isn't for gaming, it's for editing. So let's give it a go. Now, one thing I have noticed, it's not very good at the small, little teeny movements. I do struggle with them. Let's try and get this up in media. Another thing, the scroll on the mouse is upside down, or back to front, however you want to describe it. I have changed it in the settings so it works the right way, but then the trackpad works the wrong way. And I personally, I use the trackpad a lot more than I'm going to use this mouse. So I've left it this way. It takes a little while to get used to. However, you know, you can get used to it. I'm not a huge fan of it, but we'll see how it goes. Have I duplicated these? It looks like I have. Here's a handsome guy. So they're the same. Was it just one that didn't work? Yeah, okay. So that is them all imported. So, let's drag this down and try and edit it. So yeah, did you see that? It did a little jump. I'm going to try it with just work a lot better using a mouse mat. It's just that backward scroll. Can't get used to it. I suppose you could change your settings every time, but that's not something I would want to do because I'm lazy. I'm just putting it around now. So make this bigger. I'll re-edit this later. Where am I? So let's zoom in massively. Wrong way. Let's zoom in massively. And you know what? On the mouse mat, it's actually working really well on Bluetooth. Got no issues with that at all. Wow. Yeah, pleasantly surprised with that, but I do want to try some other things, so I do happen to have this as well. Now, I'll be honest, I got this through a cheap microphone, and this is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. What I want to do, I want to try two things. I'm going to see if it works, one, with the Razer adapter. It's not a nice feel going in. But it's working straight away. It does work a lot better. It feels a lot smoother. Don't need to do that. Does the scroll work the right way? No, the scroll is still back to front. However, it's feeling much more responsive. So that's massive to me actually. Changing from the Bluetooth to 2.4, I knew it would work better. I didn't expect it to work with this little dongle do-had thing, but that's miles. That is miles and miles better. Really impressed with that. The last thing I was going to do is use this dongle to use a wired mouse, just to see the difference. So I'm just going to get that wired mouse if I can. Easier said than done. I mean, again, this wired mouse just feels better. Yeah, so again, this feels even better than the Razer one. Would I suggest the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed? For £40, it's half the price of the Magic Mouse. It feels a lot nicer, it fits my hand fine. Like I said, I'm used to these type of mice, but that feels perfect. I've not used it for gaming. The fact it works on Bluetooth is amazing. If you get a little dongle, one of these will do dickies. The 2.4 GHz works even better. And honestly, I feel like if you have a MacBook, you probably already have a dongle, or you're looking at getting one. I know I am, because it needs some more ports. Mine doesn't work right now, hence why I didn't use it. But yeah. No, I would 100% would suggest this. The main thing I don't like, which I don't know if the Magic Mouse does, is back to front scroll on the wheel, and it takes a battery. I wish it had a rechargeable battery, because that would have made this 100 times better in my eyes. But we'll see how long that battery lasts for. So all those people out there who've been asking, what can I get instead of the Magic Mouse? Get this, Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed. And if you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the little bell thing, wherever it is, so you'll be notified on all our next videos. See you then. Toodle poop. Put Bluetooth on. Can I use two mice at once? Oh, I can't. Crazy.